Washington, D.C. is an incredible city. The feel that you get in Washington is an energy that you do not find in any other places. Washington is a very diverse city, which I absolutely love. But you also have incredible museums, incredible history. The unique identity of the city is the fact that there are many different neighborhoods, and each of those neighborhoods have their own center of interest, their own vibe, and that's what makes this city so unique. My name is Stephane Vogel. I am from Switzerland. I am the general manager of the Hotel Washington, which is directly stays across the White House. This is my passion. That has been my life for 24 years, and I have spent my entire career directly out of college here in Washington.
No traffic today.
I am a father of 2 kids. My passion for hockey has been translated to my son. I think we both very much love the fact that we can spend time together doing something that we absolutely love. For 24 years that I spent in Washington, I have never ever lost the sense and the privilege of where I come from, which is Switzerland. Now I will be able to step into the plane and already be in Switzerland 10 hours before I actually arrive there.